What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time and the geographical location that you're watching this video from. My name is Ken, and this is the face behind Ken Chronicles. And in today's amazing video, I'm actually taking over Helen Wells' channel. Yeah, she's actually an amazing lady. We met actually, this is the first time we are meeting her, and my first impression of her is pretty good. Yes, actually we've been in lengthy communication. Yes, today, but of course we've been actually on a phone call most of the time. And you know, actually I arrived in the big city, guys, the capital of Kenya, Nairobi. And I've been busy up and down, running some errands, but finally God made this a success. Imagine, this is my last day. In fact, I'm leaving tonight, heading to Nyanza region, because there is a lot of beehive of activities that are gonna do there. So in case actually you are team Helen Wells, come and check me at Ken Chronicles YouTube channel, and I will appreciate to my level best. Yes, let us push him. In case you are watching and you are from Team KC, let us show her some love by subscribing, liking the video, sharing them, and you know, because road to 1,000 subscribers, guys, and actually we can't wait for her to reach 1,000 subscribers. And in case you are from Helen Wells and you are watching, I'm a YouTube content creator. I do say that I'm a Kingston boy, a boy from Jamaica, not forgetting Negril. I represent the entire Caribbean. That is it. Okay. So here where we are, this is like Nairobi National Park. You know, actually today there was like a free entry to every park in Nairobi. That's the reason why there were a lot of people, in fact thousands of people, but you know, being that is now evening, majority of people actually have left the park, but there are still some people who actually are watching the animals. Even over there is a cheetah up there. You see where those people are? And most of the animals here, they are being put into cage. On the other side, there is a, how do we call it? Buffalo. Yes, you know, in some of the countries, they actually milk buffalo, yeah, and they can slaughter and actually eat. Yes, buffalo is edible. More so in Nepal. I think Asian continent. Asian countries are like Nepal. I'm not sure about India, but I'm pretty sure about Nepal. They can milk buffalo, eat buffalo. Yeah, so it's actually edible. You know, here in Africa, more so in Kenya, I don't think if someone can eat buffalo.
They eat.
They eat? Yeah. Okay, I never knew about that. Okay, guys, so we just enjoying ourselves. Let us show our... Oh man, what is going on over there, guys? There is actually a monkey that is bringing lots of problems. You know, when I came, there was a monkey who actually snatched a bag from a lady that was carrying a kid. So you see, here it is. It's coming. Yes. Unaweza nini? Unaweza change aje? Yes, it can snatch. It can snatch a camera. So guys, you see, here it is. You see? It's heading that way. Yes, that way. It's heading. If you are not careful, they can snatch, or if you are not keen, they can snatch your bag, climb on top of the tree, then try to tear it. So they are looking for some food. Yes. Okay. Helen Wells. Yes. So far so good. Actually, God made it happen. We've met. Yes. We are the YouTubers. Actually, you've been watching us. What can you say? Am I actually a different person, or rather the same KC that you've been watching?
You are the same Ken Chronicles.
No different?
No.
Okay.
No
yes. This is how we always do, you know? There is no camera. Just putting the phone this way, and we go hard on the grind. This is just the way we hustle. Actually, YouTube is the best hustle. You can't actually compare it with you know, 7 or 8 to 5 job. You can't compare, because some YouTube, you just do it. Just take your 2 hours. 2 hours basically means just record an hour video, upload it, then you are done. You just enjoy the rest of your hour. Yes, and that's how we hustle. Oh, okay, it's still in account. Okay, you know, I'm used to seeing mine up, so I knew though I was recording data, I was recording nothing, because mine always count as if I'm live.
Okay.
Yes, as if I'm live. Yes. Okay, just keep on doing what you love. Time will unfold. Your big dreams will materialize into reality. And once you are monetized, you'll start enjoying the fruits of YouTube. Yes, just keep on grinding hard, knowing that the best is yet to come. You know, YouTube actually is a big platform. It's a platform that has really changed life. And what I'm pretty sure that you are not an exemption. Yes, just keep on going hard on the grind. And YouTube requires patience, resilience. When your time reaches, the Almighty always make it perfect. You know, it's actually biblical. Yes. And also the Almighty knew you before you were born, before you were put in your mother's womb. Just know that your time will reach and everything will just align. Yes. Yeah man guys. So this is how everything is. Ulianza kurekodi kitambo? Wando unataka kuanza sahi?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I should push this video. Yeah, it's actually right. Almost 6 minutes. Yes, it's almost 6 minutes. Okay, maybe there is wait, maybe if you can talk to Kizo a little bit. Then yes, maybe unaweza record kidogo niende nimuite.
Okay.
Okay.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Helen Wells. Today I met one and only Kizo.
Yes, guys.
Mike Kizo.
No,
Fine. So you say your name is Helen?
Helen Wells.
Yeah, so guys, whoever is watching this amazing YouTube channel, my name is Mike Kizo and I'm here in Nairobi National Park. I just came to experience whatever is going on here and I met my fellow YouTuber. Her name is Helen. Guys, show her some love, support to her YouTube channel, watch full video, give her some sweet comments and keep on encouraging her so that she can also go on with this journey very, very well. So Helen, are you monetizing maybe?
Not yet.
Oh, you keep on working hard. Everything is possible, and you never know. Maybe this video is the one that is going to trend and will make you to be monetized. So you just keep on. Every day make amazing videos. Keep on working hard and believe in yourself. Whenever you're making videos, just trust that everything is going to work out very, very well. Yeah. How do you see the experience here?
It's cool.
Yeah.
A lot of people are come because this is a national park, Nairobi National Park.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people here.
Okay, thank you so much for giving me this chance to speak in your channel. My name is Mike Kizo KE. If you don't know me, guys, you can consider going to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Show me some love and push Helen to be monetized, guys. She's a humble lady. Yeah. So that's all, guys. And today was a free entry in this park, so that is why you see a lot of people are here. They just come to see what is going on in this area. So thank you, guys, and continue supporting Helen. Yeah.
Leon. Mm. Oh, inakuwa moto. Guys, we are getting out of Nairobi National Park. It's time now to go home. Yeah,